The hell?
What is it?
Jesus.
I know, right?
Did you see what it was?
I might have.
Come on. This has been driving me crazy.
I bet it has.
Holy.
Oh, yikes. I just realized I could see myself in the mirror. I didn't want to.
Oh, this is good wrapping. Ah, I want to get out of it. I love surprises.
I bet you do.
Oh, come on.
You're hilarious.
Oh, come on. Shit. Are they sure they got enough tape on here? Holy stop.
Yeah, you're pretty dark though in the pictures. Pause. Can you shut the curtain for me over there real quick? I know I'm making Mom work while she's opening up her gift. Oh, that's way better. Now Angie can actually see her face. Yay.
Come on. This is like getting into Fort Knox.
Oh.
Ah! Oh my God! It's the bubblehead!
Let
Oh
me
my God!
see.
Oh, Karen, it's the bubblehead! Oh, I think you're gonna cry. I've been wanting it for so long.
Oh, Mom.
I did.
Okay, now you can thank Ange.
Thanks, Angie. Got a little bit of Rob with me.
Give me a good smile before I stop it.